Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel with me, Gav the Fat Area Mountain Biker, and
Sam, the other Fat Area Mountain Biker.
And today we are at Swallow Woods. Let's crack on.
Crack on.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Swallow Wood. Sammy's going to show me these cool tracks he's found, and I'm going to be doing a review of the Carrera Hellcat 29er.
I'm fixing the wreck. I'm fixing this.
And fixing Sammy's creaky crank later too. So, let's crack on to the action. Alright, let's go. So Sammy said this is a nice fast bit of single track. I can't tell you the speed, I'm so used to looking at the controller on the e-bike that tells me the speed, but I ain't got one on the acoustic. Might have to put the app on my phone. Being a hardtail, it definitely rolls very fast with the 29ers. I haven't got really chunky tyres, I think they're only 2.3s. And they are cross-country tyres, so it rolls really quick. Got a very rattly chain, because this is a non-clutch derailleur. That has a massive effect on the chain rattle. We're nearly there. Oh, that was definitely fun. Yeah, definitely a cross-country machine this. Got to the top of the hill. Right, so we're going to drop in for the first time. Sammy's going to follow me. I'm not going to go too quick because I'm on an hardtail. And I'm feeling kind of delicate because I flipped it the other day and really hurt my back. Right, so let's crack on, Sammy.
You do it.
Whoa! Oh! Completely lost traction on the front wheel.
Brilliant. Round two. This time hopefully Gavin won't fall off. All we can do is hope. Fingers crossed.
Anything.
So let's
crack on.
After you, sir.
Remember to turn right.
Turn left. Fucking hell.
Right, so this time we're going to go down this little skinny technical track. I'll test it out, see what it's like. Sam will do fuller cam.
If we can keep up.
Just dropped a bit of air out my tyres because they're rock hard. Let's see how we go. Technical, but there's no flow. Right, Sammy's off. for a little blast. Let me just talk you around this Carrera Hellcat. So it's a 29-inch wheels, 16 speed. It's got the Clark's disc hydraulic brakes with 160 rotors. Now they were a bit terrible when I got it, but after I've bled it up, they're okay. I wouldn't say they're the best. On my son's Carrera Vengeance, he has the cable operated disc brakes, which seem to actually work better than these hydraulic ones. So I'm not going to say they're great, but they do the job. It's got quick release 9mm wheels. They're only quite skinny wheels, but again, riding around this wood, and I've rid it around the woods near me for quite a few miles. I'm not a lightweight person, and I haven't bent the wheels. It's handled everything I've threw at it so far, and the 29ers really roll fast. I like it, very nice. The gears seem to work okay. They're Shimano Altus. And one thing I will say, this seat, it's got a memory foam seat on it that is super comfy. Very comfy indeed. So all in all, for a quite low price, well, I say low price, it's not low price, but it's low price for a mountain bike. I think they're about 380, something like that, brand new from Halfords. I'm going to say it's an alright bit of kit, perfect for a beginner who wants to do a bit of cross-country riding, who maybe wants to tackle a few small obstacles as well. Does the job pretty well. And Sammy's back. So that concludes my review of the Carrera Hellcat.
Let's go downhill, guys. Oh, he's filming. We've got a YouTube channel, so we're filming. Yeah, Fat Hairy Mountain Bikers YouTube, follow us. Fat Hairy Mountain Bikers. There you go, this is us. Are you in the flesh? It's very steep.
Looks it, mate.
And I've just put up it, so I'm knackered. But also, just bumped into them, the fans, the Watch Our channel.
Really?
Yeah. They keep up the good work, they keep watching. So, guys, if you're watching, cheers.
Yeah, two lovely women just come up here.
And their husbands were down there as well.
On e-bikes, and they're absolutely shredding it. Brilliant. Keep up the good work. That's what it's all about, getting out and having a crack. Right, what are we up to next, Sambo?
We could go down that hill again, then go up and go down another hill. Or we could just have a bike round, it's up to you. Hills?
Right, we're having a lovely day here in Swallow Woods. Look at that beautiful blue sky. Amazing. And we've just come across this, which apparently is a Second World War bunker. And it used to be like a tunnel.
It used to be where soldiers, when we were getting invaded, soldiers would get in the bunker and have a little peephole, so when there was the people were coming, the Germans were coming, they'd pop out and do the job.
And apparently it comes out at the other side of that field somewhere. Bit of a history lesson.
See?
Great.
Not only just biking, guys, history as well than Fat Hairy Mountain Bikers.
Fantastic. And a big thank you to Halfords for giving me the day off on full pay, as that's the end of my very short-lived Halfords career. They don't like decent bike mechanics there. If you can smack things with hammer, that's plenty good enough. So that's the end of that career. On to the next one. What are we going to do now, dude? Should we go see if we can find the other side of this?
I think we should bike across the farmer's field.
Yeah.
And have a look and see if we can find another one. Because according
We'll not bike across the field because there's crops in it.
Yeah,
we won't do that.
Yeah.
But
don't
we'll
bike across the fields, we'll bike on the inside of the wood.
We'll go down the side of the woods.
Yes.
And we'll see you at the other side with another history lesson. Right, so we're just going to give Sam a little bit of encouragement, see if we can improve his wheeling skills. He's getting better. That's good, mate. But remember, finger on the back brake. Most important thing when wheeling, finger hovering on the back brake. So if you're gonna go over, tap that back brake and it'll bring you back. Here we go, we've just locked his rear suspension out. I think that'll help. Yeah! Sweet. Yeah, he's getting better now. Going in for another couple of wheelies. Oh, that was beautiful. A little stoppy as well.
I think you should go first and I'll follow you.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Let's drop in. What do you think to that? Back at Broughton Woods now, guys. Gavi is going to go on the Carrera Hellcat and give it the jumps and see what it's like on the hardtail. He's telling me it's a lot lighter, so let's crack on.
Hey everyone, we're now coming at you live from the Fat Area Mountain Bikers track, and Sammy is just dropping in for his first run of the day. Here he comes. There he goes. How's it feel, Sammy?
Yeah, do you know what? Feels fast and good. It just feels, compared to when we first did it all them months ago in the wet and cold, it's just so smooth now. Can't beat it.
Nice.
Can't beat it, mate. I'm going to do follow cam now. If I can keep up with Gav, I don't know, but we'll try it. All we can say is, Gav, is the 3 words. 2 words.
Who's going to say it?
I reckon you should.
Let's crack on.
And crack on. As per usual, he flies off. There's me saying follow cam. It's fucking gone. Right. It was dead good follow cam, that. Do you know why? I completely kept up with you.
Yeah? I was only going slow.
Yeah. As you know, we're back at the Fat Area Mountain Bikers, downhilling course. I've been down it a few times, tried doing follow cam with Gav. Hey, it's just too quick, can't keep up with him. No matter what he's on, can't keep up with him. I think if I had an e-bike and he was on the bike he was on, I don't think I'd still keep up with him. Just confidence. But here he comes.
Right guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. The little Carrera Hellcat turned out to be a bit of a beast. I can't believe I didn't damage it because I really hammered it. So decent enough bike. So how was it for you, Sambo?
As usual, love it. Love it, love it, love it. I liked it. We've had pretty much a full day in, which is nice. Don't really get it, so it's nice to get out. Well, the weather's dead nice. Get out and do some shredding.
Yeah.
All we can hope for is more and more shreds. So yeah, love it.
Loving it. 2 different locations. Nice. So if you enjoyed this video, peeps, please give us a like, maybe even subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.